We are going to be writing our code in a program called Notepad++. Please note that you might also have a piece of software called Notepad on your computer. If you're confused as to which one you should open, please check with your tutor. In terms of what you need to know in Notepad, you'll need to navigate through the different tabs. These will appear next to each other. You will need to know how to add a new tab in. You'll need to know how to save your tabs. And you'll need to know how to open your web pages in your default browser. Make sure you know how to do all these things now. When you open Notepad, you will see a tab saying New One with an X next to it. The first thing that we need to do is insert a piece of code on that page which tells the page that it's an HTML page. This means that it will understand the rest of the code that will go onto the page. To do this, type in the code as noted in the workbook. Once you've entered in the code, you need to save your file. To do this, you first should rename your tab. Right-click on the tab, select the rename option, type in your name, and then write .html. Then save your code. Make sure it's saved into a file folder. And when you save it, you need to change the save as type to HTML. You can do this by typing .html after the file name, or by searching through the save as type.